Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the BeDistinct channel. Today we have finally come to the video of installing the resonator on my Supercharged G35. Over the past few days, I've determined that the car is just a tad bit too loud for my taste. We're gonna see if we can install this resonator, hopefully lower the volume a little bit. I've been told that it's not gonna lower it that much, but it is gonna refine the exhaust sound. So we shall see in today's video. I'm gonna do a little experiment. Hopefully it lowers it down, that's the goal, but let's find out. So we did order it. This is the Vibrant resonator. This is a 3-inch, since I do have 3-inch piping. So I ordered it brand new. I ordered a used one. I didn't like how it came in the mail. So this was the used one. You can see the cuts are kind of trash, and I was like, might as well just wait for the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a cold start. Entirely sure if you guys can hear my exhaust or not, but just in case you guys couldn't hear my exhaust really good, here are some clips of me just full ramming the car. Alright guys, so we're currently on our way to the shop. I'm a little nervous because this shop they're called Affordable Mufflers, and they've been a good shop. They have good ratings, and on it, the second time I got my muffler delete, I got it from them, and that muffler delete did me wonders. I'm just hoping that they weld the resonator good, and that's it. Now the only reason I'm going to them is because they're affordable. Because I got a quote from other places, they're like 180, 170, 190. They're quoting me 80 bucks. So we'll see if the job reflects the price difference or anything, but I've gone to them once and they've done a superb job, so hopefully they can do that again. Also, shout out to myself for being able to keep the AC, man. Literally last week we were in the 70s. How from one week to another we go from 70 to 90? Look at all this traffic, y'all. Oh, hell no. Alright, y'all, day one is over. We were unsuccessful. We will find another shop. Alright guys, it is a couple days later. It looks like it's a freaking tornado. Look how crazy the trees are moving. It's super windy outside. So we're gonna go to another shop today and see if they can install my resonator. This shop, I don't know how much they're gonna charge me, but a lot of my friends recommended me, so you know, I gotta take a stroll. It is like 30-40 minutes, so but we're gonna give it a go. Hopefully they're good and we just get it done there. I also got quoted for 2 of the shops locally there too. They charged me $150. I'm down to go to them, but I gotta check out this place too first. So we're gonna meet up with a friend at the shop and see what happens. So I'll catch you guys over there. For those who don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok or anything, what are you doing? Like, go follow me, like what the hell? But I will be going to Fuel Fest in SoCal June 4th. Fitment Industries invited me, and I'm super honored and super excited. So I'll actually be bringing the Supercharged G to SoCal, which is crazy to think about, but I'll be there, brothers. What the hell happened here? A fire? Alright guys, so we came to put E85 because I almost ran out. 430, bro. E85 is now 91 gas prices. Literally like at the beginning of this year, bro. Alright guys, we're at the NorCal muffler shop. Pretty sick. Oh look, Matt's here. That's fire. I think he's gonna put it in, see if they can go ahead and install the resonator. Oh, damn, that thing's loud. Alright guys, it's going up on the stand. It's being lifted up right now. We'll see. Hopefully they don't charge me an arm and a leg, but we'll see. Left the car in there. They charged me $225. Honestly, bro, when I first started quoting, I told myself I was not gonna pay more than $150. I paid like a lot more than $150. Well, $225. That's why I went to the first shop. They were charging me $85. They couldn't get it done, so these are charging me $225. They said one thing I did like about it is that they told me that my white pipe was loose and stuff like that, so they check other stuff. I don't know if it's loose or not. It could be. I know I've been having issues with my Z1 white pipe, so he might be telling the truth. I'm gonna go ahead and trust him on that. He said he can go ahead and reassure there's no leaks, no rattle, no everything. He can get it done. Boom. Then he told me, bro, Tuesday, next week. I'm like, bro, you guys know I'm impatient, bro. I'm not gonna wait next week. But anyway, he's able to fit me today at 4:30. So now we have like, what, 3-4 hours to find something to do. And then we'll pick up the car and hopefully it sounds a little bit less quiet or better. All right, guys, we're doing a taste test. This is good. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. I was able to cop another pair of plaid pants, bro. I've been collecting these and I cannot find them anywhere. Let's take a look at the BMW M8. It's fucking nice. Super nice. That looks cool. It's got a diffuser already. Quad tips. Looks pretty nice. It's got wood suede. Almost, huh? I've been told this is the STI package with a honeycomb diffuser, bro, or side splitter. The Nismo version of the STI WRX. That's fire. All right, guys, so we just got our car back from NorCal Mufflers, and first impressions, I literally just took it off the shop and we took a little spin. It's like a little circle around here. And bro, big difference. When I started the car, it almost feels like I had the silencer on, so that was really, really good. I haven't gassed it yet, so we'll drive it right now. When we go to the roads, I'll gas it a little bit to see how it feels like. But just normal driving right here, bro, it sounds really, really quiet, at least from the inside. I don't know how it sounds on the outside. Okay, so from the outside, definitely it's still a little bit loud, but considerably less loud. Gas it a little bit. Gas it a little bit. More. It sounds a lot quieter, which is good. I don't know if because the car's already warm or not, but at least right now, dude, it sounds loud. And the inside is where you see the biggest difference. But yeah, dude, the inside, you can feel it. It sounds.
Damn, your clip's still high.
You good? Well, yeah, this thing feels good.
Yeah, it's way quieter than I remember.
At least in the inside, it sounds a lot quieter. You just hear the loud ass blow off valve. Gas it a little bit. Yeah, it's just my blow off valve. It's dumb loud. But yeah, dude, the exhaust sounds a lot quieter. At least it'll make me feel a little bit safer when roaming around the streets. First impressions, this is my first actual drive. You can really hear the supercharger now. Oh, dude, the exhaust sounds good, man. Hell yeah, dude, eliminated a lot of the rasp. The drone inside of the car is almost non-existent. Oh, dude. What the fuck? What the hell was that? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is fire, dude. That shit sounds good, bro. Bro, the drone is gone, ladies and gentlemen. This thing sounds good. Okay, guys, you guys know, everybody has been, who has a G35, you guys all been through. I went through it, and this is what I'm telling you guys. I've gone through my muffler delete stage. I've been through my resonator delete. I've got Z1s, single, everything, right? When you gas it, when you're trying to haul ass, you guys know, full throttle it, the exhaust goes like, wah, like it isn't a fine tune. It just kind of blurps out, and that's why we're known for the trumpets, right? Because it just kind of blurps it out. But this thing feels like defined. Like now it's a tone. Now it's a music tone. No matter how much you gas it, dude, that is phenomenal. Wow. That is super cool. All right, guys, so this is the in-cabin sound from inside the car. The drone inside the car, poof, it vanished, bro. Literally went from 100 to like 5% or 10% drone, bro. Look at all this traffic, y'all. Oh, hell no, we are not coming this way. Like, literally, it took out almost everything. I cannot hear the exhaust right now. What I'm mainly listening to right now is my blow-off valve scream, like always, and the tires, bro. These, what are they? The Federal RSRRs? They're loud, man. They're loud. So all I'm hearing right now is blow-off valve sounds and tire noise. Hopefully, you guys can hear it in the camera. But exhaust, bro, it's not even there, which is super right, to the person recording behind me, I got you. I got you. You're on the YouTube, by the way. You're on the YouTube. You can make it loud when you want it, and you can make it as soft as you want it. Right now, bro, we're just cruising. Cruising. Nice. Only when I gas it, it's loud. Feels nice. Welcome back to the OG content where everything breaks.
So what do we have here? Come on. Gotta say,
so
gotta explain it.
we were just driving and this shit happened hella randomly. The window just stopped working. Like the other motor, I used to hit the door panel and it used to go up until it eventually stopped, and then I replaced the panel. But this one just stopped hella randomly. So
Yeah, so welcome back. This is gonna be the best content you'll ever see. Mr. Ruben Mendoza, BeDistinct man, is gonna come back with better content, faster content.
Jesus.
He's gonna upgrade his G35 to a quick release window motor. It's gonna be so fast, so light.
I think it was breaking already though.